Waiting time before cleaning a fish. Usually, you should not leave fish uncleaned for more than 24 hours, and the time you can wait will vary depending on where you store the fish. Generally, it would help clean fish within a few hours of catching them. This video will discuss how to properly store fish if you cannot clean it right away. Aside from this, the video will also talk about how long you can wait before cleaning. Before having more information about waiting time before cleaning a fish, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Proper storage of fish. It would help if you stored fish in an appropriate place. Leaving fish out in the sun or room temperature may spoil the fish or change its flavor and texture. Here is how you properly store fish to prevent it from spoiling or rotting. Cooler. If you go out fishing, it might be a good idea to invest in a cooler. You can store the fish here temporarily if you do not have access to a refrigerator, and the cooler should keep the fish fresh for a couple of hours. When you bring a cooler with you, fill it up with blocks of ice first. Ice-cold water could also work, but it will warm up quickly. If you use ice, your cooler will be cold for much longer until the ice starts to melt. Freezer. An ideal method to store fish is to keep it in the refrigerator or the freezer, and it will ensure that the fish will still be good to eat even if you leave it for a day. If you go fishing, you can bring a cooler to store your fish temporarily. Then, transfer the fish to a freezer immediately to keep it in tip-top shape. Cleaning fish. It is highly essential to clean fish as soon as you can. If not, it can rot very quickly and will become inedible in just a few hours. However, it is understandable that you might not clean fish immediately. You may leave it inside the freezer overnight, and fish will stay fresh in the freezer for a day or two. However, as soon as 2 days have passed, you should not wait any longer. The best thing to do to keep fish fresh is to gut the fish right away, and it would be best if you took out the innards to avoid spoilage. Waiting time before cleaning a fish. Conclusion. Fish will not stay fresh for long, especially if you do not store it in a cooler or freezer. Never wait for more than 2 days to clean the fish. If you can, gut the fish immediately and store it in a cool place afterward. For more information about waiting time before cleaning a fish, visit our website at yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.